Hello everyone, my name is Edin Thomas and today we have discussed about the topic uh, machine learning in ethics, uses and abuses of machine learning. What is machine learning? Machine learning is an application of artificial intelligence that provides systems the ability to automatically learn and improve from experience without being explicitly programmed. Machine learning is focuses on the development of computer programs that can access data and use it to learn for themselves. Uh, First, we have seen the ethics of machine learning. Machine learning, ethics, and bias. The first step is towards think seriously about ethics in machine learning is to think about bias. Once you are aware of how bias can creep into machine learning systems and how that can have ethical implications, it becomes much easier to identify issues and make changes, or even better, stop them before they arise. Bias isn't strictly an ethical issue; it could be a performance issue that affecting the effectiveness of your system. But in the conversation around artificial intelligence and machine learning, ethics is its most practical way of starting to think seriously about the issue. There are two types of machine learning ethics and bias. There are pre-existing and dataset bias and technical and contextual bias. Pre-existing and dataset bias are embedded in the data on which we choose to train algorithm. While it is true that just about every dataset will be biased in some way, the point here is what we need to be aware of the extent of the bias and the potential algorithmic consequences. Second is technical and contextual bias. Technical machine learning bias is about how an algorithm is programmed. It refers to the problems that can arise when an algorithm is built to operate in a specific way. The importance of context in machine learning. The context of algorithm implementation is very important in the context of machine learning. The most important thing if you are working in machine learning is an artificial intelligence is context. Put it another way, we need to have a clear sense of why you are trying to do something and what is the possible implication could be. Next is algorithmic impact assessment and tools of assessment bias and supporting ethical engineering and future of artificial intelligence and machine learning depends on developers taking responsibility. These are the ethics of machine learning. Next we have see about uses of machine learning. Uses of machine learning, there are limitless applications of machine learning. There are a lot of machine learning algorithms available to learn. First we have to see image recognition. Image recognition is one of the most common use of machine learning applications. It can also be referred to as a digital image, and for these images, the measurement describes the output of every pixel in an image. Another is voice recognition. Machine learning also help in developing the application for voice recognition. It also refers to as a virtual personal assistant. It will help you to find the information when asked over the voice. Next is prediction. Prediction help in building the applications that predict the price of cab or travel for a particular direction and the congestions of traffic where can be found. Video surveillance. It help to detect the crime or any mishappening that is going to happen before it happen. It help in tracking the unusual behavior of people like napping on benches and standing still from a long time. Next is social media platforms. Social media is being used for providing better news feed and advertisement as per the user interest in mainly done through the use of machine learning only. Next is spam and malware. Email client use a number of spam filtering and these spam filters are continuously getting updated and these are mainly done by the use of machine learning. Rule-based multilayer and three indection are some of the techniques that are provided by the machine learning. This is customer support. Most of the reputed companies or many websites providing the options to chat with a customer support representative. So after asking any query by the customer, it's not compulsory, but an answer is given by the human only. This is search engine. There are search engines available while searching to provide the best result to the customers. There are there are many machine learning algorithms created for searching the particular user query like a Google. Next is applications or companies. There are many applications and companies that are used by machine learning for doing their day-to-day process, as it being more accurate and precise than the manual intervention. Next is fraud and performance. We used by the companies to keep track of money laundering like PayPal. It uses a set of tools to help them to check or compare the millions of transactions and make secure transactions. The uses of machine learning mainly to do machine learning is refer as to one of the great things in the field of artificial intelligence. Machine learning helping to lot of work to your day-to-day life and make to work easier and accessible. Next we have still the abuses of machine learning. One of the main key problems with artificial intelligence is that it often invisibly coded with the human biases. And the next is another area where artificial intelligence can be misused in is in the building registries. The another is with the artificial intelligence type of discrimination can be masked in the black box of algorithms. Thank you.